Okay, he is like new now. I have finished repairing him. Cleaned up the entire carburetor, cleaned out the exhaust, had a lot of crud in it. And now we test. So, fuel is on, ignition is on, choke to the start position. Let's give it a crank here. Oh yeah. We're working perfectly. We've also adjusted the automatic regulation, the speed regulation depending on load. Most likely will not be visible, but this mechanism inside here and its connection to the main throttle body. Had to adjust the angle of that little stick there, and I had to put some electrical tape around the end so it does not vibrate and so it sticks into its location firmly. And I also had to adjust the tension of this spring, which is adjusted via this screw. And yeah, all is good. This shut-off valve was also contaminated, completely blocked with crud. I had to remove it and blow air in the reverse to release all the crud that had been stuck inside. But now we are good to go. It all works well and correctly. The Kinzo 31L 81. No, well, 801 to be correct. 2-stroke motor, about 1:50 ratio according to the instruction manual. All good.